Hi everyone and welcome back. If you are new here, then hi, I'm Shreya and this video is going to be monthly favorites for the month of October. So if you don't know what monthly favorite is all about, so I'll be talking about 10 of my most favorite things. Now these can be movies, food, favorite memories and random things that I love in the whole month. So if that interests you, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to talk about are phone covers. So recently I bought my phone and I was looking out for some cute, colorful phone covers and I picked these two from Amazon. Now one of them have some random doodlings on it and this is the phone cover that I'm currently using. Also you can see the other one is super cute. It has donut prints all over it and I love donuts. Also a few days back I went to Miniso and I bought this pop socket from Miniso. This is so cute. I also found it on Amazon. So if you want any of these things, you can check the description down below. Okay, let's go to the next one. So the next thing is pretty obvious if you have seen some new additions to my background. Yes, I'm talking about these candles. So recently I bought these candles and I think I have newfound love for candles. Now all of these are pretty affordable. Now I got two of these from SJ Merch, that is Shreya Jain's brand. It was a combo of two flavors, that is Egyptian Neroli and Kannauj Gulab. And the third one is in vanilla flavor. It's from Store 99. I think it just cleanses the air and also it looks pretty wherever you keep it. Okay, moving on. Now the next thing is a makeup product. It's a green eyeliner or kajal from the brand Swiss Beauty. So if you have not noticed, I'm actually wearing it right now. This was a very random purchase because I genuinely liked the product, or maybe the salesman was good at his job, and I don't remember the price, but I know that it was pretty affordable. The application process was also very smooth. You can use it as a kajal as well as an eyeliner, and if you wish to purchase it, the link will be in the description. So the next thing that I really loved is the perfume oil from Fab India. This was again a very random purchase, and when I bought it initially I was so happy that it is so little and tiny and I can carry it everywhere. But now I'm looking for a big bottle because the scent is so good. I tried to find it everywhere, but I don't think they manufacture bigger bottles of perfume oil. I don't know how to define the scent, but it's very pleasant, and again, if you are allergic like me, even then you can work with it, so it's good. Also, it stays for like 8 to 12 hours very easily. I can say that because I've been using it almost every day. So this one is in the flavor musk. They had many other options, so once I finish this, I'm going to try the other options too. So the next thing is a piece of jewelry and it's an anklet. So this is my first ever anklet, and also I like the cute little star detailing on it. I don't have much to say about this anklet and I like it, and that's why it's in this video. The next thing is one of my favorites and a new addition to my bag collection. So I bought this bag from an Instagram store called Shop Zoe. I have been eyeing on this bag since a very long time and it's a very trendy piece. I absolutely love the color and the quality is also supremely great. Also about the page, they have great collection, so if you are looking for something, you can definitely go and check out the Instagram page. I will link it in the description, of course. Okay, let's talk about movies and series. So honestly, in October, I didn't really explore this area a lot. So right now, I've been watching this sitcom, this American sitcom called Two Broke Girls. So because it's a sitcom, it is very fun and light-hearted. So it is about two broke girls. The story revolves around two girls. Both of them come from totally different family backgrounds and they waitress at a diner. Both of them together are trying to establish a cupcake business. All in all, I think it is a fun watch. So the next thing that I'm going to talk about is a decorative piece. It's a pack of artificial plants. So I recently got this from Amazon. I was actually looking for artificial plants because there is no maintenance whatsoever, and I found this. So this came in a pack of 4 and I think it's perfect. And if you want this, the link will be in the description. Okay, let's talk about the favorite memories of the month. Now my highlight of the month has to be Durga Puja. And I cannot just pick one day, but I think everything was just great. Starting from the preparation to the last day. Everything was just perfect and so much fun. And here are a few pictures or videos In fact, I thought of making a vlog or just capturing everything, but I think it was just too much of pressure and I just wanted to chill because after all it's our festival. Okay, last but not the least, let's talk about the favorite recipe of the month. Honestly, this month I really didn't get any time to try anything new, try any new recipe, but yeah, I did try this one. This is the basic sago pearl vada, या normal भाषा में बोले तो साबूदाना vada. So let's go to the recipe. So for this I have soaked the sabudana or sago pearls overnight. With this you need some boiled potatoes. Now mix the boiled potatoes with some crushed peanuts. Add some coriander leaves, some chili, ginger, garlic paste. Add salt, red chili powder. Now mix it all together. And once it is ready, you just have to fry it and eat. So this sums up my monthly favorites for the month of October, and I hope you enjoyed watching this and found something nice that even you want to try out. Most of the things that I mentioned in this video will be in the description box, so you can go and find that there. And I think I'm done for today, so I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye!